This is the first cotton mill in Northwest Georgia. 3 Walker County businessmen, Andrew Allgood, Spencer Marsh, and Colonel W.K. Byers, officially organized the Trion factory October 12, 1845. It has had few shutdowns since its first production in 1847. In 1858, an epidemic. In 1864, Sherman's invading federal army closed the mill until the end of the war between the states. Fire on April 10th, 1876 only shut the mill for 6 months, and a strike for 6 weeks in 1934. 3 families owned and operated the mill through its first 150 years. The Allgood family between 1845 and 1912, the B.D. Regal family between 1912 and 1987, and the R.B. Pamplin family purchased the mill in 1987. Trion, Georgia. Let's get it. Your boy P9, and I am here in the small town of Trion, Georgia. Trion is a town in Chesapeake County, Georgia, with a population of 1,960, and it is known as the denim capital of the world because of the Mount Vernon, formerly Regal manufacturing plant, which employs about 4,000 people. So family, this is going to be a very short video because this is a very small town. So right here, this building is the Trion Town Hall. You know it's small when they call it a town hall as opposed to a city hall, but that's what this is. So Trion had its beginning in the 1840s when a cotton mill called Trion Mills was established here. So Trion is a very small town, but it does have a historical significance due to its place in history as a manufacturing town. So I mean, it would make sense because there's a lot of vacant land out here, so it would only be right that you would have a manufacturing plant here. But this marker right here is of Park Avenue Apartments, Regal Manufacturing Company in Trion, Georgia. On this site, the Park Avenue Apartments were constructed by the Regal Manufacturing Company in 1921. The apartments were constructed to house Trion Mill employees and their families. The apartments were constructed and housed from 2 to 6 people. The apartments were originally built to provide housing for mid-level managers at the Trion Mill, such as shift supervisors. Originally, residents rented the apartments from the Regal Manufacturing Company, but were later allowed to buy the apartments. The apartments were comprised of 3 buildings with 18 2-story townhouse apartments in each building. On the exterior, the properties were clad in red brick and had low sloping gable roofs. Each set of 2 apartments shared a prominent 1-story front porch. The front porch was supported by a brick pier with a battered wood post similar to porch posts found on the craftsman style residences constructed during the same time period. Each apartment's original floor plan had an entry hallway and staircase, 2 separate living rooms, and a kitchen on the first floor with 2 bedrooms, a bath, a large hall closet on the second floor. And each individual apartment had 4 fireplaces, 1 located in each room and bedroom. Wow. So those are pretty sizable apartments if they had a fireplace in each room. So This right here is just a bibliography of the sources of information. Robert S. Baker, Chattooga, The Story of a County and Its People. Roswell, Georgia, W.H. Wolf Associates, historical publication. Betty Landers, interviewed by Aaron Lane. Mount Vernon Mills Incorporated location. So they have numerous sources where they got this information. It was a website, mvmills.com. It was a book called A Story of a County and Its People, and an interview by Aaron Lane. So they interviewed people as well to get the story behind those apartments that originally housed those employees of the Trion plant. So you see this big field right here, it's just a park that's located right next to a railroad track. Right over here is a playground. So they do have a playground, which is right next to the town hall. And over across the playground, there's a baseball field, and there's a recreation department over there as well. So they have a recreation department, a baseball field, playground, a huge field over here right next to the railroad. So a very small town called Trion, Georgia, located in Chattooga County in the outskirts of Chattanooga, Tennessee. With that in mind, family, this will conclude this very short video here in Trion, Georgia. If you like the video, please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. That way you get, and also the notification bell. That way you get notified each time I drop a new vlog. And thanks again for watching, people. And see you guys on the next video. Peace. Have a great day.